Hey guys, the next plugin we are looking at is Zillow. So if you are a home hunter in United States or anywhere Zillow is supported, you would be knowing this app. So it is used to find rental homes or homes that are up for auction or homes that owners list for sale. So that's basically what this is. I've enabled this plugin and let's look at what this plugin can do, right? So it is your real estate assistant, search listing, view properties and get home with Zillow. So the two functions what this supports is you can support search for properties and get property details. So let's take a look at search for properties. You can use property search function to find a list of current homes for sale or for rent based on variety of criteria. So one prompt you can try is, let's go ahead and do this. I have the Zillow plugin enabled. So find single family homes for sale in San Francisco between 500K and 1 million with 2 to 4 bedrooms. So let's see what this would give us. This will return a list of single family homes for sale in San Francisco which are priced between 500K and 1 million and have between 2 to 4 homes. The results will be sorted by price in the ascending order by default. So you can see it's using the Zillow plugin. So there are homes it's listed. So yeah, if you click on this should take you to Zillow. And similarly, let me ask, find me a 2-bed, 2-bath home in Santa Clara where monthly rent is between $2,000 to $4,000. So you would get a list of homes where rent is between $2,000 to $4,000, which is 2-bed, 2-bath. So let's see what it is, and you can list variety of criteria. If you want an in-house washer dryer, or if you are looking for a pool or whatever you are looking for, it will give you that. Cool. So it's also listing the rent, what you need to pay for each of these homes. And while that is done, there are some other prompts like this. We already looked at the rental properties. We did the homes that are up for sale. And you can also say condos. So if you are interested, you can say, give me a list of homes, give me a list of condos for sale in Miami, Florida. So it should give you that list. Or if you want to know which homes were sold at what price, so that if you are probably planning to buy a home or if you are looking to sell a home, you need to see the recent transaction prices, you can do that too with this plugin. So these are roughly 4 to 5 use cases, and I have these prompts either in the description or you can look them up in the in this file that will be attached to you. So you can just try this out later on. You don't need to type it out, but just wanted to demo it to you what Zillow can do. So it is listing the price of what it is. Price is not listed, price is not listed. So yeah, here the condo is listed as 150K. So I want to know, find the recently sold homes in Boston, Massachusetts, and here you can list 2-bed, 3-bed, whatever you are looking for. If you are interested in a specific locality, you can list it. So this is the price it's listing it. It was sold for 920K. So if you want to know the current variations in the housing market, or if you are planning to place a bid for a home and you believe that you don't know the right price, so you can do some research before actually going ahead with your home purchase. And after that is done, next one we are looking at is get property details. So you can use the get property details function to find the information about the specific home. You can find the home by home address. So if you are interested in finding a home and you know the specific address, you can do that. Or if you know the ZP ID, you can also do that. So here's an example for an address which I would be providing. So let's look at it. So yeah, that was the input we gave, and this is the response from the Zillow plugin. And here you should get a list. So it's giving the information about the property. If you want to validate it, you can go ahead and do it in Zillow or Redfin or any other app. You are free to go ahead and do it. And after this, here we are giving something about a ZPID, which will be our next prompt after this. So I'm giving, can you give the information of the property with ZPID this. So similarly, if you want to know what is the estimated value of a property you are planning to bid, it should give you an approximate estimate. So these are some of the prompts that currently Zillow supports. They might add more features in future, but these are the functionalities as per their documentation and ChatGPT plugins documentation they are currently supporting. So I just want the Zillow ID for this. So let me copy this address. So I would like to ask that here. What is the estimate of the property at this here? So it should give you the approximate price. So in Zillow it says 162 here. The monthly financing works out to be about $10,000. And you get some pre-qualified credits and other stuff. So let's see if it's able to give us that data. So it gave us that data. What is the Z estimate and the monthly rent estimate and the open house schedule. So you can get those data. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.